Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyx Noel here and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute. My last video was a Thanksgiving one and I'm glad you guys liked that video, and I'm back with another video and it's the Christmas video. We're gonna be doing a Christmas makeup look, a holiday makeup look. We're gonna be focusing on our eyes. We're gonna be using some green shades. Yes, we're gonna be focusing on a green shade on our eyes. An example. Something like that, but we're gonna make it our own. Of course, this is the exploration station. And before we get into the video, I want you guys to subscribe, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. Okay, let's get into the video. Again, I'm gonna be showing you an inspiration. We're gonna be doing something like this, something like that. It's very glittery, glam, green. Oh, 3 G's. Glittery, glam, green. Green, glittery, glam. Glittery. Anyway, so let's get her done. Okay, let's start off with the base of our eyes. So I got 2 eyeshadow palettes here. I got my Morphe palette for my nudes, and I've got a new palette, the Beauty Glaze. I got myself in some shades of green there. Yes, I can link that up in the description below. Now you can't really see it. Okay, I'll show you guys something like this. We start off with the base color, which is a nude color, depending on your shade. So let's pack that on our eyelids like so. Pack that on there. Okay, once that's done, we go on with a darker brown, like a chocolate brown of some sort. And just put it on the edge here, just on the outer corner, just to start it off, just on the outer corner. And go on the other side. Again, we're just gonna be focusing on our eyes here. For the rest of your face, you guys can do whatever, like so. Okay, once that's done, we're gonna get a lighter shade of that color and then put that right here. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be too perfect because we're gonna be covering that with a green eyeshadow. I know it's weird, like why is your base brown? Well, this is the exploration station. Who knows, it might turn out really nice, you know. Let's go with our green. Let's start off with this green right here. Yep. If you have any green like that, go ahead. If you have this type of green, go ahead. Or this type of green, go ahead, as long as it's green. We're doing the Grinch here. Okay. The name of this shade is called Seaweed, so let's put seaweed on our eyelids. Okay. That's a nice looking green, actually, I might say. Add a little bit more green on that outer corner. Looking really nice, guys. Oh, you looking nice, green. Just make sure your green is like the most seen on your eyes. Make that green really pop. Looking nice and green. Looking nice and green. Okay, once our green is on our eyelids, we add in a black just around that green. Just around it, just to give it that shadow effect. And then we can buff it out later on. Like so. Just give it that shadow effect. If you got any reds, go. Since I've got no red on hand right now, I'm going to go with a plum color. This color right here. And just buff that out on the outer part of your eyelids. The reason for the black is to give that division and also that mesh, the mesh between and that togetherness between the green and the plum, so that it won't look too separate. The reason we're not going too far deep into the inner corner is because we're gonna put a silvery shimmer in that corner to give our eyes that little pop it needs. Okay, after that we go in with the eyeliner, my favorite part. My favorite part of the makeup is the eyeliner. Put eyeliner in there. however you want your eyeliner to be. Now that our eyeliner is done, we go in with the glitter. Let's get that green glitter, that green shimmer. Let's try this green shimmer. And then we go with a gold or this magic shimmer just to go over it. Green shimmer. We add on that sparkle. Oops. Just pack that on your lid. Ooh. Once we put the glitter on, we go back with our plum color and just dab that right under. And of course we gotta go with our signature white eyeliner. So sorry if this video is like all over the place. Can go over the glitter. We're almost done with our eyes. Don't worry, it's so simple to do. You can wear this at your Christmas dinner or even New Year's dinner. Once we're done with that, we go in with some shimmer in the corner of our eyes. Let's go with the diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Ooh, girl. Yes. Shine bright like a diamond. Our eyes are done and ready to be revealed with the rest of the makeup, and I'll be right back. Voila, the finished look. I am in love with the eye, guys. Seriously, all you need is some green, some plums, or some red, your eyeliner, some glitter, because you can never go wrong with glitter. And yeah, and you can do anything with your eyes. You can wear this at your Christmas dinner, your New Year's dinner, or any dinner you would like to go to. If you want to spice up your dinner, you can use this look. It's very simple to do, and it's also not too bad on the eyes. It's not too shocking, it's not too simple. It's just in the middle and in the middle. Yeah, so yeah, that's the look, guys. That is your Christmas holiday 2021 makeup look. Simple as that. I will be linking the makeup palettes that I use, the eyeshadow palettes that I use, in the description below. And if you guys have any questions, please do comment them down. I will reply to them. And if you guys have any makeup ideas that you want me to do, please send them, comment them down. I will do them. And yeah, this is the look, guys. Yes. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Happy everyone. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. Follow me on Instagram because why not? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.